Okay. M is for notebook.
Oh, the owl.
O is for owl.
P, the pig.
P is for pencil.
Q, the book.
Q is for quail.
R, the rainbow.
R is for rainbow.
Zero.
S is for seal. Very good. What's T? What's T, baby?
T, Baba.
T is for tent.
U, the rain.
U is for umbrella.
V, the
V is for violin.
W, the stage.
W is for worm.
X is the bird.
X is for X-ray, xylophone. Sorry.
Y, yes, sir.
Y is for yarn.
C, zebra.
Z is for zebra. Yay! We did it! All right, come on. Let's go down.